All right, y'all, today we're back in the Oaks of North Grove here in Waxahachie, Texas, and we're gonna be filming this new builder here to Waxahachie called Astoria Homes. And we're gonna be taking a look at the model floor plan here behind us. It's a huge floor plan here, 2-story. It's called the Devonshire, and it's 6 bedrooms, optional 7th bedroom, but 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's 4,391 square foot. It's got a 3-car garage. You've got an office and a game room, and it's just stunning. It's got hand scraped wood floors, and it's a really, really beautiful home inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at it right now. All right, y'all, here we are on the inside of the beautiful Astoria model. Right off the bat, you've got this really big wraparound staircase and just a grand entryway here. Beautiful chandelier. You've got windows up top letting in natural light. This big, beautiful 8-foot wood door with the frosted glass still letting in natural light. This right here, probably be a great spot for a Christmas tree during the holidays. Got your office right here, right off the entryway. Go take a look at that in a minute. And then right here, we've got coat closet, well located right off the entryway here. Got a half bath right here. This optionally could be a full bathroom as well. And we've got French doors separating the office right here. Really good size office. And then we've got a window looking out to the front driveway there. Now in this one, we've also got double doors here that goes right around to the kitchen, and then kind of a small little butler pantry area. We'll wrap around that way in just a second. But look at these beautiful hand scraped wood floors. Absolutely stunning. And the second story, good grief, it's got a ton of space up there. But for this being a 2-story home, you know, really the ceilings are a good height in here as well. Got a beautiful wood burning fireplace right there. You've got the really beautiful stone surround. And then you've got these windows here looking out to the big extended back porch. Master suite goes back that way. Got a really good sized living room space, as you can see. Always helps to have it staged so you can really see the layout well. Got a really nice wraparound island right here. And then a space for the dining table. Got these bump out windows here as well. And then a door to the back porch. There's another door to the back porch over there by the master. We'll check that out in a minute. So almost 4,400 square foot here in the Devonshire floor plan, and starting out at $549,990. That's an amazing price point. So really, really getting a good bit right off the bat here. You got a little bit of an island here in the kitchen as well. And then you've got your spot for your fridge. Got a 5-burner GE cooktop range, gas range, and then vent hood vented to the outside. Got storage here on this island. And then you've got a stacked double oven set up, as well as a microwave above. And these are all GE appliances. And right here we've got a nice corner pantry, walk-in pantry. Really good amount of storage space here. You've got additional counter space here and cabinetry, and then also right here you've got that additional spot for that kind of butler pantry area. And then you get back to the office as well. Now right here, this is probably where they would use some of this space to extend if you had a full bathroom on the first floor here instead of that half bath. So that's definitely probably an option that could be chosen. And then we've got the laundry room right here. Really good sized laundry room. And this door, it's currently not finished out this way because this is the model, but this would go to the 2-car garage, and then there's a 3rd car garage on the other side of the driveway. But along behind this wall, we've got a side entry, 2-car garage. Go ahead and show you. Obviously, they will switch that out when it's time to sell this one. And then on the opposite side of the driveway, there's a 3rd car garage. So lots and lots of space here. Definitely appreciate Felix for letting me come take a look at this model home and film it for you all. So in this floor plan, the only bedroom on the downstairs is the master. They've got another floor plan that has some really good options with a 2nd bedroom down and an office down as well. That is really stunning. It's still under construction, but it should be done soon. Here's the master. As you can see, got these beautiful bay windows here looking out to the backyard, and then you got side windows as well. You've got tons of space right here if you wanted to have a king-size bed set up. And as you can see, there's just an immense amount of space. Sitting area here. Got another door to the big extended back porch. And then the master bath here, we've got a smaller little closet there. And then we've got separate vanities there. Got a nice big walk-in shower with a rain shower head and then a body spray set up there with a bench seat, standalone tub. This also has a body spray as well. Just need to get some frosting for that glass, but other than that, you're set. And then here you've got room for the toilet, window in there as well. Good size shower. Got the tiling all the way up to the ceiling there. Got that rain shower head. And then the master closet here. Really good sized master closet. Plenty of space here. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. I'm just blown away, honestly, by everything you get at this price point here. Got the big wraparound staircase. And then immediately at the top of the staircase here, it opens up into a whole other living space. So this is like a 2nd living room right here. Nice big windows, letting in natural light from the back porch. Now this being the model, it does back up to a green space. Their other 2 floor plans that they've got currently being constructed also back up to a green space here in the Oaks of North Grove. And check this out, we've got a mini fridge set up right here. So you definitely can entertain up here as well. And you got a sink here as well. Awesome, awesome. Now this right here is where you could have an optional 7th bedroom. They also were talking about this being an ideal spot for homeschooling. So if you've got homeschool going on in your home, then you could definitely utilize this space as a classroom setting. Really cool. Here's the media room. This is over top the 2-car garage, but really good sized media room right here. And then we've got bedroom right here. Nice big walk-in closet here in the bedroom. Obviously this is their design area as well, where you can pick out your different flooring and trim, backsplash options, carpeting options, brick, all of that. Now here we go, we've got a Jack and Jill bathroom here for this side of the upstairs. Got a vanity back there, then we've got a tub shower combo. Got more storage here, linen closet. Got your toilet here, and then your tub shower combo. And we've got another vanity right here. Nice big closet for this bedroom as well. Leading into this bedroom here. Got windows out to the side and out to the backyard. Got carpeting all along the second floor except for the bathrooms. Got tiling in the bathrooms. We've got another good sized bedroom here. And a really good sized closet. Nearly 4,400 square foot, 6 bedrooms. I mean, you've got a crew here of tons of space available. Got another Jack and Jill on this side of the upstairs. You've got your toilet here, and then you've got tub shower combo right here, and another closet right there for linens and whatnot. And then you've got your other sink there as well. So we'll go ahead back this way. This connects to this bedroom, and then from that hallway to the last bedroom up here. This closet's one of the smaller ones. It's just a wide closet, not very deep. And then the last bedroom upstairs here. Got a window to the front and to the side. And then another one of the longer closets with a long hanging rod. Not real deep. And back around to the common space here. Go ahead and go back down and check out the backyard. So once again, through the master, you can access the backyard, but you can also access it here, right off the living room and dining room space. So we've got a real nice sitting area out here. We got that extended back patio as well. Got that green space there. Devonshire floor plan, it's beautiful. All right, y'all, once again, we're here in the Oaks of North Grove and we're taking a look at this beautiful Astoria home. This is their model home, the Devonshire floor plan. Just to cover the stats on this home, it's 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's got a 3-car garage with an office downstairs and a big media room upstairs as well. So this home is 4,391 square foot, and the starting price on this one is $549,990. Now, obviously, as you add upgrades, your cost is going to increase, but this is an amazing starting point. It's got tons and tons of flexibility in this floor plan. They've got other floor plans as well, and they just utilize the space really, really well. And I just love a lot of the features that they put in. Beautiful backsplash. You've got beautiful hand scraped wood floors here, and it's just got so much storage space in this home, and really the other homes that I toured that aren't quite ready yet. But really, really done well here. And like I said, I appreciate Felix for letting me come take a look at this with you all and film this for you. If you got any questions about this, definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help answer those questions for you. I am a local DFW realtor. My name is Josiah Beam, and I do help folks buy and sell homes all throughout DFW. I do live here in Waxahachie, and I've been in the Ellis County area for years. So I love this area, but can help folks all throughout the Metroplex as well. So if you got any questions, definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you out and get those questions answered for you. So thank you so much for watching each and every week. I appreciate it, and I'll see y'all next week. Y'all take care.